Look around you and remember that all products of everyday use are made up of atoms and molecules. In other words, chemistry. Chemistry is not only about properties and behaviors of matter, but also about its transformation. The linear transformation process is pretty simple. Mining of raw materials, processing them to make a product, and disposing as waste after use. This is the traditional linear model of our economy, the business model that has created our world, our wealth. In almost 2 centuries, the chemical industry has generated the most disparate products, consuming minimal matter and energy, using different raw materials, producing waste, and releasing pollution into the atmosphere. However, it is now clear that this model is not only unsustainable, but also ineffective when dealing with the planet's challenges. A new way of thinking is necessary. A new way of using materials and chemicals. A new way of designing products. A new way of recovering the value of every single material. A different model of production and consumption, which involves sharing, reusing, repairing, refurbishing, and recycling existing materials and products, and gradually removing the traditional idea of waste. Let's try to understand how we can make this possible. Chemistry is a science, and as a science, it gives an essential contribution to comprehension of matter and the natural world. Chemistry is an industry, and as an industry, it contributes to every aspect of our life, from food and medicines, to clothes and housing, to energy and materials. A world without chemistry would be a world without telephones, computers, cars or bikes, aspirin, shampoo, cosmetics, diapers or newspapers and books, paints and colors. Simply impossible. Chemistry is everywhere. Nowadays, a new concept has been introduced. We think about products using new raw sustainable materials, reusing, recovering, and extending the life cycle of the materials that we use. First of all, this means we have to understand how the resources of the planet are placed within the natural and economic system and how the processes are interconnected. Chemistry is the key enabler for circularity towards a more sustainable world and planet. Because chemistry operates in critical areas in favor of sustainability. And it means enabling transition to a low-carbon economy, promoting the adoption of circular principles to prevent waste, preventing harm to humans and to the environment throughout their entire life cycle, designing new substances and materials to make them more sustainable and recoverable, and minimizing the use of raw materials and energy.